The Himalayas. These towering peaks pierce the sky, their snow-capped summits glistening under the sun. Stretching over 2,400 kilometers, the Himalayas are the highest mountain range on Earth. They are home to a breathtaking array of landscapes, from glaciers and alpine meadows to lush forests and fertile valleys. The northern Himalayas, in particular, hold a special allure. This region encompasses parts of India, Nepal, Bhutan, and China. It is a land of extremes, where icy winds whip across high-altitude deserts and monsoon rains drench the lower slopes. For centuries, the Himalayas have held a deep spiritual significance for the people who live among them. The mountains are revered as sacred, home to deities and spirits. Join me on a journey to the northern Himalayas, a land where nature's grandeur meets cultural heritage.
The northern Himalayas boast an astonishing variety of ecosystems, each with its unique flora and fauna. As we ascend these slopes, we encounter distinct zones, each shaped by altitude, climate, and topography. At the highest elevations, above the tree line, lies a realm of ice and rock. Glaciers, slow-moving rivers of ice, carve through the mountainsides. Descending further, we enter the alpine meadows, a riot of color during the short summer months. Coniferous forests of pine, fir, and spruce dominate the higher elevations, while broadleaf trees like oak and rhododendron thrive in the lower valleys. The northern Himalayas are a haven for wildlife, home to creatures found nowhere else on Earth. One such icon is the elusive snow leopard, perfectly adapted to high altitudes. Another inhabitant is the Himalayan tahr, a wild goat with a distinctive reddish-brown coat. In the lower forests, the red panda charms all with its striking fur and bushy tail. Birdlife in the Himalayas is equally diverse, teeming with life. The northern Himalayas face numerous conservation challenges, with human activities increasingly encroaching upon this fragile environment. Habitat loss, poaching, and climate change threaten the delicate balance of life in this region. Recognizing these threats, governments, conservation organizations, and local communities are working tirelessly to protect the Himalayas' natural heritage. National parks and wildlife sanctuaries have been established to safeguard critical habitats and provide safe havens for endangered species. Anti-poaching units patrol the region, combating the illegal wildlife trade that targets animals like snow leopards and tigers for their fur and body parts. Community-based conservation programs empower local people to become stewards of their natural resources, promoting sustainable livelihoods and reducing human-wildlife conflict. By working together, we can ensure that these majestic mountains continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. Section 5. The Spirit of the Mountains. Culture and Tradition in the Himalayas. The Himalayas are a cradle of ancient cultures and traditions. For centuries, the people have lived in harmony with nature. Buddhism and Hinduism dominate, evident in monasteries and temples. These centers serve as places of learning, meditation, and pilgrimage. The people are known for their resilience and respect for nature. Unique agricultural practices like terracing are used to cultivate crops. Festivals bring communities together to honor their heritage. Section 6. Fragile Giants. The Impact of Climate Change. The Himalayas, despite their imposing presence, are facing a growing threat to climate change. The impacts of a warming planet are being felt more acutely in these high-altitude regions than in many other parts of the world. Glaciers, the lifeblood of the Himalayas, are shrinking at an alarming rate. These water towers of Asia feed major rivers that sustain billions of people downstream. As glaciers retreat, water availability for drinking, irrigation, and hydropower is jeopardized. More frequent and intense rainfall events increase the risk of floods and landslides, threatening lives and livelihoods in mountain communities. Conversely, prolonged droughts can lead to water scarcity and impact agricultural productivity. As temperatures rise, plant and animal species are forced to migrate to higher elevations in search of suitable habitats. Addressing this global crisis requires collective action on a global scale to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate the impacts of a changing climate. Sustainable steps, balancing development and conservation. As human populations grow and economies develop, the pressure on natural resources intensifies. Finding a balance between development and conservation is crucial to ensuring the long-term health of the Himalayas. Sustainable tourism offers one such pathway. By promoting responsible tourism practices, such as minimizing waste, respecting local cultures, and supporting community-based initiatives, we can harness the economic benefits of tourism while minimizing its environmental impact. Investing in renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, can reduce reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate greenhouse gas emissions. Sustainable agriculture practices, such as organic farming and agroforestry, can help conserve soil, water, and biodiversity while enhancing agricultural productivity and livelihoods. By embracing sustainable practices, we can create a future where both people and nature thrive in the Himalayas. The call of the Himalayas, experiencing nature's grandeur. The Himalayas beckon adventurers and nature enthusiasts from around the globe. The opportunity to trek amidst towering peaks, breathe in the crisp mountain air, and witness firsthand the region's rich biodiversity is an experience like no other. Numerous trekking routes cater to different skill levels and interests, from challenging climbs to base camp expeditions to leisurely nature walks. Each step reveals breathtaking vistas, colorful prayer flags fluttering in the wind, and the warm hospitality of the local people. Wildlife enthusiasts can embark on safaris to catch glimpses of elusive creatures like snow leopards, red pandas, and Himalayan black bears. A journey to the Himalayas is an unforgettable experience, leaving a lasting impression on the soul and inspiring a deep appreciation for the wonders of our natural world. A shared responsibility, protecting our global heritage. The Himalayas are not just a regional treasure, but a global heritage site, vital to the ecological health of our planet and the well-being of billions of people. Preserving this natural wonder is a shared responsibility that transcends national boundaries. International cooperation is crucial to addressing transboundary conservation challenges, such as wildlife trafficking, climate change, and water resource management. Supporting organizations involved in Himalayan conservation, whether through donations, volunteering, or spreading awareness, can make a tangible difference. Every contribution, no matter how small, collectively contributes to the preservation of this irreplaceable region. Reducing our carbon footprint, embracing sustainable consumption patterns, and supporting businesses committed to ethical and environmentally responsible practices are steps in the right direction. By recognizing our interconnectedness with nature and working together, we can ensure that these majestic mountains continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. Conclusion: preserving a legacy for future generations. As our journey through the northern Himalayas draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and a renewed appreciation for the delicate balance of life in this extraordinary region. The towering peaks, the vibrant ecosystems, and the unique cultures of the Himalayas are a testament to nature's grandeur and the enduring bond between humanity and the natural world. Yet, this fragile ecosystem faces unprecedented challenges. Climate change, habitat loss, and human activities threaten the delicate balance of life in the Himalayas, jeopardizing not only the region's biodiversity, but also the livelihoods of millions of people who depend on its resources. By embracing sustainable practices, supporting conservation efforts, and raising awareness about the importance of the Himalayas, we can help ensure that future generations inherit a world where these majestic mountains continue to inspire awe and wonder. Let us work together to preserve this legacy for generations to come, ensuring that the Himalayas remain a beacon of hope and a testament to the power of collective action.